Before anything else, tatanungin ko kayo guys. Mati-turn on ba kayo kapag nakita nyong ine-enjoy ng ibang tao ang significant other nyo or asawa, partner or jowa nyo? Good evening. This is your host, Erwin, and welcome to Anonymous Pinoy Confessions Unplugged. Welcome na naman mga bossing sa panibagong episode sa APC Unplugged. I hope you guys are all doing fine. I'm doing good myself. Thank you. And without further ado, talo na tayo sa confession. Confession. Threesome. Male, 27, with girlfriend, 27 din. We are now engaged. We've been together for 5 years. Healthy relationship and very active. She is very sexy and hot. Bihira niya ako tanggihan kapag niyayaya ko siya. She is turned on most of the time as well. But I've been having thoughts. May desire ako makipag-threesome sa kanya. I want to share her with another guy. For some reason, gusto ko siya makita being enjoyed by someone else. I brought it up sa kanya before and game naman siya. Pero I'm just not sure how to follow through again. Hindi ko rin alam sino ba dapat sa amin ang pumili ng makakasama naming lalaki. Dapat ba siya or ako? Worry ko lang din is baka umayaw na siya sa akin after ng threesome. Pero gusto ko talaga siya i-share with someone else. I need your suggestion. Before anything else, tangina. Oh, by the way, that's the end of the confession. Before anything else, tatanungin ko kayo guys. Mati-turn on ba kayo kapag nakita nyong ine-enjoy ng ibang tao ang significant other nyo or asawa, partner or jowa nyo? Kasi tangina ako hindi eh. Like, you know what I mean? I mean, kanya-kanya tayo ng preferences or mga gustong gawin. And I know there are probably other people na may ibang gustong gawin. And you know what I mean? And I respect that. I respect that. Hindi lang ako makapaniwala na may mga ganito pala talagang lalaki or I should say tao na ganito yung trip nila. And hindi lang ako makapaniwala kasi sa totoo lang ha, ito yung first time ko na makarinig ng ganito. Kasi parang ito yung mga bagay na naririnig ko lang sa fiction. Like yung mga, let's say, mga palabas na ganyan. And hindi ako makapaniwala kasi alam mo yun, like significant other mo yun eh. Tapos gusto mong i-share siya sa ibang tao. Tapos yun yung dahilan para ma-turn on ka. Like, how do you even find that sexy? Just like, what the fuck? Like, I don't even know, man. I can't even, parang hindi ko siya ma-process sa totoo lang. And also, ito pala sa mga viewers natin dyan or listeners na baka meron sa inyo gustong mag-audition or mag-volunteer dyan, ito na ang pagkakataon nyo. So, mag-explore dyan. Yan, ito na yung mga pagkakataon nyo para maging trailblazer kung gusto nyo mag-join dito sa threesome ni Sender. So, Sender, kung ikaw'y makakapanood netong episode na to, mag-send ka ng Google Forms para makahanap ka kung sino yung tamang lalaki para mag-join sa quest, sa side quest mo na yan. Ayan. Pero hindi lang ako makapaniwala mga tol kasi imagine niyo engaged na sila. And to think, parang yun yung point kasi in my thinking na parang engaged na and sure ka na dito sa partner mo and maybe tapos na yung part na nag-e-explore sila or nag-e-explore as a couple. Or, ang naisip ko dito, is it because gusto niya to kasi parang medyo naboboringan na siya sa setup nila na parang he wants to spice things up? Kasi, I don't know if that really is the thing ha. Kasi parang, to his credit naman, parang inask niya naman yung kanyang soon-to-be wife, yung fiancé niya, yung babae. Inask niya naman na kung gusto. And si girl naman is okay lang. Open siya dun sa idea. But my thinking is, why? Like, why do you need to share your soon-to-be wife to someone else, to other guys, just for your own kink, your own pleasure? Like them, like, what the fuck? That's actually crazy, you know? And if anything, what I'm aware of about relationships is yung open relationship. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang open relationship ay a committed partnership kung saan yung parehas na couple both clearly and consensually agree to explore romantic or sexual connections with other people. Yun yung parang alam ko na parang let's say committed kayong dalawa, like mag-boyfriend, girlfriend kayo, pero open relationship. Meaning, si guy or si girl is pwedeng maghanap or magkaroon ng romantic or sexual encounter sa ibang tao. Yun, open relationship. Pero hindi ko alam na itong klase ng parang preference na sa ganitong siguro sa sexual aspect like yung parang love making na gusto ng iba na meron silang alam mo na yun, yung parang meron silang guest, like parang meron silang third party and consensual. Pero kasi imagine niyo, how do you even like parang let's just say natuloy yung threesome, right? Kasi nakakatawa dito is meron sinasabi si guy na ang worry niya at the end is hindi na siya magustuhan ni girl. 'Di ba? So meron siyang ganung worry na utangin na i-share ko siya sa ibang guy, paano kung masarapan siya and hindi na niya ako magustuhan, di sira na, hindi na sila engaged. You know what I mean? So meron siyang kind of parang medyo siya, like medyo meron siyang hesitations on that end pero he still wants to pursue. So yun yung parang sa akin is parang are you really sure you wanna do this? And then are you really sure na parang after a one pop, two pops or something like that, hindi mo pagsisisihan? Kasi alam nyo guys yung I don't know if girls would actually know this, but alam niyo yung tinatawag na post-nut clarity. Di ko alam kung uso yan, but yung post-nut clarity is parang let's say after a guy actually like let's say really like parang matapos yung guy na one pop like tapos labasan or ma-relieve or let's just say mag-ejaculate, right? May parang clarity sa isip nila na parang oh shit, parang hindi ko dapat ginawa yun. Yung alam niyo like yung parang like nagkakaroon sila ng senses na parang after nung ma-relieve yung sarili nila they get into their senses na parang oh shit, kung yung ginawa ko is hindi siya tama. Yun yung ganong feeling eh. Kasi parang nakikita ko dito is parang he's really into like he wants to do it but then gusto niyang ma-feed yung dopamine na yun or gusto niyang makuha yung dopamine na yun, and once that dopamine actually goes down, baka ma-realize niya na putang ina, tama ba yung ginawa ko na pinahiram ko siya sa iba? You know what I mean? Like baka doon siya magkaroon ng putang ina, nagkamali ako doon, dapat pala hindi ko siya shinare. And that might end up being like yung crack dun sa relationship nila. But what do I know? I am just actually like nagsasalita lang ako dito based on my beliefs, you know, and I'm just speculating. So kung ano man yung sinasabi ko may not necessarily be true or might be true, I don't know, 'di ba? Kasi hindi ko naman sila kilala personally and I am just basing everything off sa confession and kung ano yung pinaniniwalaan ko. So yeah, and I really do think pag-usapan natin si guy na I think this is some kind of a kink nung guy. And like I said kanina, to his credit, inask naman niya yung partner niya and okay naman kay ate girl. So, nandun lang sila sa part na sino yung guy na pipiliin. So, ito actually may isa rin akong bagay na parang I really wanted to touch base on is yung so I guess okay lang kay girl na ipatikim siya sa ibang guy. Like, what if si ate girl kaya okay lang sa kanya na ipatikim yung boyfriend niya sa ibang babae? So, let's just say yung threesome is kasi yung current threesome is i-share ni guy yung girlfriend niya or yung fiancé niya sa ibang guy. What if it's the other way around? Okay kaya kay ate girl na i-share yung jowa niya sa ibang babae? You know what I mean? So I mean that's probably a whole different conversation, pero if you think about it, pwede kaya yun? I mean baka mas magustuhan pa ni guy yun, but I really don't know. And like I said, baka they just really want to spice things up kasi nga they've been together for what? Like sabi dito sa ating confession, they've been together for 5 years. So they probably have this same setup and gusto na lang nila parang maybe see where things are gonna go after like, you know, yung exploration stage. And ito nga pala, di ba? Ina-ask ni sender sino ba dapat ang pumili sa kanila. I think ang dapat pumili dito si girl eh. Ano guys ang tingin nyo? Kasi I feel like it only makes sense na parang or it's para fair na siya ang pumili kasi siya yung tutuhugin eh. Siya yung tutuhugin ng ibang guy dito. So parang it's only fair na siya yung mag-decide kung sino yung tutuhog sa kanya. Guys, I'm so sorry sa term na yon, pero I mean like let's be real, 'di ba? Parang it only makes sense na parang okay, I'm gonna share it to someone else, then ako na lang, ikaw yung papipiliin ko. Parang alam mo yun, kasi lugi naman si ate girl kung pumili si guy ng, I don't know, like someone na pangit or something like that. And ito yung naisip kong plot twist dito eh. What if si Kuya Sender pala yung may gusto na magpatuhog? So yun pala ang plot twist. Gusto niyang i-share yung fiancé niya, pero may lihim pala siyang tinatago. So gusto niyang makatikim ng lalaki and pinapalabas niya lang na titikman niya, ipapatikim niya yung fiancé niya sa ibang guy. Pero yun nga though, like, but I don't really think that it's true kasi sa dulo, ang worry niya kasi, I don't think it's true na si Sender is gusto niyang tumikim or gusto niyang tumikim ng ibang guy or matuhog ng ibang guy kasi at the end, ang worry niya is paano kung yung fiancé niyang babae is magkagusto dun sa kung sino man yung ipapartner na pang threesome na guy, 'di ba? So, I feel like kasi humihingi siya ng suggestions, 'di ba? So, kung ang worry ni Sender, kasi humihingi siya ng suggestion kung sino ba dapat ang mamili, but at the same time meron siyang worry. Pag-usapan natin yung worry niya. So, kung ang worry mo, Sender, na ipagpalit ka, I feel like meron kang dalawang options, I think. Wag mo nang ituloy, kung una mong option, wag mong ituloy yung threesome na gusto mo at mahalin mo na lang yung soon-to-be wife mo nang hindi siya sinishare sa iba. I feel like that should be like a normal thing. You know what I mean? Not unless, I mean, you don't really have to go kung yun yung, what's normal may not necessarily apply to you or to anyone, and that's okay if you don't want that. You know what I mean? And yung second option, or pumili ka ng lalaking alam mong mas lamang ang pagkalalaki mo para hindi ka masapawan kung gusto mo talaga makipag-threesome. Kasi nga, di ba may worry siya na what if magustuhan ng babae yung guy na sasali sa kanila. So yun lang yung naiisip ko para hindi siya mag-worry na ipagpalit siya is kalimutan mo tong idea na to, like it never happened, or pumili ka ng guy na alam mong mas lamang ka. Like, you know, like mas lamang ka sa performance, mas lamang ka sa size, mas lamang ka sa lahat. Kasi pag pumili ka ng guy na, I don't know, let's say parang Derek Ramsey, I don't even know, man. Wala na, finish na, tapos ka dun, 'di ba? So, yan lang yung I feel like yan lang yung kaya kong sabihin dito sa bagay na to kasi wala naman talaga rin akong experience. So, like yung mga sinasabi ko, like I said guys, is just more of like my reaction really dito sa confession. So, take it with a grain of salt, and you know, kung I'm not trying to offend anyone, and also I'm not judging si Kuya Sender kung yun man yung preference nila nung magiging soon to be wife niya. And like I said earlier, like ang bawat relationship naman is may kanya-kanyang dynamics, may kanya-kanyang preferences, and maybe, just maybe, gusto nilang spice things up yung relationship nila. That's why they are actually exploring this option before sila ikasal. I mean, and like I said, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, it's consensual kasi pumayag si Kuya. Pumayag si Kuya and pumayag yung wife niya. So, and to think, si Kuya Sender pa nga talaga yung nag-i-initiate. I think, ang problema niya lang is paano niya ulit i-bring up to dun sa fiancé niya. Kasi nga parang sinabi niya dito na parang, for some reason, gusto ko siya makita being enjoyed by someone else. I brought it up sa kanya before and game naman siya, pero I'm just not sure how to follow through again. So I feel like the fact na he does not know how to follow through again, I feel like meron siya dong agam-agam eh. Meron siyang hesitation na parang, should I actually go through with this, or should I even ask her again if i-share ko siya? Kasi what if si ate girl pala, ngayon ko lang ito naisip actually, what if si ate girl pala, mahal niya lang talaga yung jowa niya or yung guy na, yeah, okay, kasi if that's what you want, I'm gonna do it because I love you. But does she really want it? Actually, never ko naisip yun, not until now. Maybe that is something na kailangang pag-usapan nilang dalawa kasi what if nagiging selfless lang si ate girl na, okay, I'm willing to do this because I love you, but really she doesn't want it. But you know, I guess that boils down to paano sila magko-communicate and paano nila sasabihin sa isa't isa. And yeah, like I said, I'm not judging si Kuya. Consensual, pumayag yung partner niya, and I just hope kung mangyari talaga tong threesome na to is hindi nila pagsisihan. Yun lang. Kasi I mean, personally, this shit is something that I'm not gonna do ever. Like, you know what I mean? There's no way. I mean, kayo guys, comment nyo. Mag-comment kayo, gagawin nyo ba? I-share nyo yung partner nyo para ma-turn on kayo? Like, what the fuck? That's actually crazy na mata-turn on ka habang sinishare mo yung partner mo sa ibang tao. Like, I don't even know. Like I said, hindi ko ginajudge yun. People are different. We are all different. That may not be normal, but that doesn't make it wrong for some other people, okay? So, ayoko lang mag-come off as someone na parang nag-hate dun sa preference na yun or setup na yun because I'm not hating. Just so you know, guys, I just wanna clarify that and I just wanna be straight. So, yun lang. Let me know, guys, what do you guys think about this setup? Meron ba talagang gumagawa? Meron ba sa inyong gumagawa nito? I mean, you don't necessarily have to comment that there, but kung dami account naman yung gamit nyo, then by all means, spill it out, you know? And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in dito sa episode ng APC Unplugged. And until next time, this is your host, Erwin. Good night.